Hi there! In this video, I will walk you through how to run both basic and advanced keyword searches in Reveal. Whether you're looking for a single document or building complex queries across thousands of files, these steps will help you zero in on what matters. So let's start with basic searching. A simple keyword search in Reveal is great when you want to one-off test specific terms. If your term has multiple words, like schedule of values, make sure to wrap it in quotation marks so the system treats it as a single phrase. A drop-down menu will appear as you begin typing your term into the search bar. For the purposes of this guide, we will look for all documents with the keyword schedule of values. The results of your search will be provided as a list on the right side of your screen. At any time, you can switch to a grid view option to scroll through the results, their associated metadata, and perform bulk actions. Now let's go a step further and build a more advanced search using logical and/or operators to group multiple terms or phrases together. Imagine you're searching for documents about project schedule delays caused by defects. You'll also want to include change orders and scope of work files in that search. Here's a sample search string that you could use. Let's break that down step by step and build it together. Start by entering your first term, change order. Don't forget the asterisk to catch variations like orders or ordering. You can then select all documents with the keyword change order, or press the enter key to query the term. When you click the search bar again, you'll notice that Reveal adds the term as a pill icon in the advanced builder. Next, enter the term scope of work, and then select the search button. By default, Reveal connects your terms with an AND operator, but we want this search to include instances where either phrase is present. To do that, click the AND button next to the second term and toggle it to OR. Select the search button again to update the results. Now, we just repeat those steps for the remainder of the search string. And finally, enter the term defect. We want to include another asterisk to capture variations like defects or defective. Once you've finished, click the search button to run the entire query. And that's it. Now you know how to run basic keyword search, use quotes to search key phrases, build advanced searches using and/or logic, wildcards, and term grouping. So give it a try in your project. And remember, you can always contact your consultant to fine-tune your results. Thanks for watching and happy reviewing.